In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use guides and rulers in Google Slides. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or just for personal use, knowing how to use these features can make your slides look more organized and professional. Let's dive in and explore how you can manage your slides with precision. First, open Google Slides by navigating to the Google Slides website and signing in. Once you've logged in, open an existing presentation or create a new one if you wish to start from scratch. It's always a good idea to have a specific slide you want to work on in mind so you can easily follow along with these instructions. Now that you're in your presentation, let's locate the View menu at the top of the interface. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where you'll find some of the most helpful options for organizing your content, including both guidelines and rulers. From this drop-down, select Show Ruler. This option will make the rulers appear at the top and left sides of your slide area. The rulers are vital tools that can help you precisely measure and align objects on your slides. They work as a reference to ensure that elements on the slide are positioned exactly where you want them. Next, let's bring in the guides. Go back to the same View menu and this time click on Guides, followed by selecting Show Guides. The guides appear as lightly colored, movable lines on your slide. You can grab these lines and move them around the slide to help align graphics, text boxes, or other elements within your presentation. To add more guides, simply right-click anywhere on the slide and select Add Vertical Guide or Add Horizontal Guide from the context menu. This flexibility is great when you need several reference points for complex layouts. Unlike rulers, these guides are dynamic, meaning you can position them exactly where they are most useful for your specific design needs. Once your guides are in place, you can start aligning your content. Click on any object, it could be text, an image, or a graphic, and drag it towards the guides. These guides will serve as a snapping point, ensuring that your object is aligned consistently with other items on the slide, which helps maintain uniformity across your presentation. Remember, aligning your elements using guides and rulers not only enhances the aesthetics of your presentation, but also aids in viewer comprehension by presenting information in a clean, structured way. As with all tools, practice makes perfect, so take some time to experiment with these features. That's it for today. By using guides and rulers, you now have the skills to create polished and professional presentations in Google Slides. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to leave your feedback and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy presenting!